Namaskar and good morning. Today we'll take a look at a pharmaceutical company, Mangalam Drugs and Organics Limited, which has done very well in Q1. Mangalam Drugs and Organics has a diversified product range in anti-malarial, analgesic, anti-inflammatory, anti-hypertensive and anti-retroviral products. It commenced its operations at Vapi, Gujarat in 1977. Now it has a multi-product manufacturing facility in 2 locations and an R&D facility also. So in the last 3 decades, Mangalam Drugs and Organics has acquired worldwide reputation for anti-malarial drugs. So it is one of the top companies in Asia in all products that it makes. Currently, it's making active pharma ingredients or APIs. As we know, China, now there is a competition with China in active pharma ingredients. We want to make in India. Intermediates, specialty chemicals, etc. So it has got WHO Geneva GMP certification, EDQM approval for API manufacturing plant. And it is an agreement with the prestigious Clinton Health Access Initiatives for fighting malaria. Management is headed by Govardhan M. Doot as Chairman and Managing Director, Vijayamohan M. Doot as Executive Director. Now let us take a look at the Q1 results. Net sales are 104 crores. Previous quarter 88 crores and year ago quarter 65 crores. Therefore, year on year increase is 59.35%. Quarter on quarter increase is 17.65%. So, net sales increase is quite good. 59.35% increase year on year, 17.65% increase quarter on quarter. So, that is quite good. Now, if you look at net profit, 8.3 crores for Q1, 5.05 crores for the previous quarter, and 0.74 crores only for Q1 of last year. So, compared to 0.74 crores last year, now 8.3 crores current year, 1021% increase in net profit year on year and 64% increase quarter on quarter. So sales increase is impressive and net profit increase is impressive quarter on quarter and also year on year. Equity is 15.83 crores. Now basic EPS, quarterly EPS on a face value of 10 rupees is 5.24, previous quarter 3.19 and year ago quarter 0.47. Here also the 1014% increase quarter on quarter, 64% increase year on 64% increase quarter on quarter, 1014% increase year on year. Market price is 116. 52 weeks low was 20.4 and now 115.85. So it is at 52 week high now. Price earning is 5.53. The price earning ratio is quite low, so there is still scope for price increase. Volumes are low, 10,800 only. Now, if you look at the annual results, they are not very inspiring. Sales are 282 latest year, 227 crores previous year, 279 crores still previous year, 302 crores in 2017, 295 crores in 2016. So 2016, 5 years back it was 295, 4 years back 303, now 282. So sales has not improved at all. Net profit, if you look at that, 5 years before it was 16, 4 years before 22 crores, 3 years before 19.89, 1 year before -8, that is loss, current year 8 crores. So the net profit also there is no great increase, actually there is a decrease over the last 5 years. So annual performance, if you look at that, it's very uninspiring, but 5 quarterly performance, it is inspiring. Now if you look at the chart, price chart, from April 20, it has been having a steep upward curve. So from 52-week low to 52-week high, it has jumped from April 20 onwards. Now at 52-week high. Now if you look at the strengths, etc., the company is having trailing 12 months EPS growth is there, 52-week high now. Growth in net profit and net profit margin both quarter on quarter and year on year. Profits are increasing quarter on quarter. I am not saying year on year decimal. Growth in operating profit also, with operating profit margins increasing. Stock is gaining price momentum. So all these things are there. Strengths. Some weakness, small weakness, etc. are there, as we have seen. For last 5 years, performance are dismal, no increase whatsoever in sales or profits. Technical rating currently is very bullish. Valuations, if you look at that, market cap is 183 crores, price earning is 11.59, book value 65.6, that is trailing 12 months price earning is 11.59. We have seen earlier price earning is 5 only. So there is scope at present. Normally for last year 11.59. Dividend nil, industry price earning is 36, EPS trailing 12 months is 9.99, price to book is 1.76, face value is rupees 10. Currently, if you look at the action in Mangalam Drugs and Organics, only buyers are there for the last several days. Now, if you look at the historical prices, currently it is 115.85, let us say 116. 1 year before 33.7, 2 years before 82.7, and 3 years before 142.7. 3 years before 142.7, now 115 only. So in the last 3 years it has come down drastically. 3 months before it was 78, now 116. So in the last 3 months it has gained a lot, from January precisely. Now shareholding pattern, if you look at that, promoters hold 50.53%, pledge is very high at 61.89%, pledge is there. FIIs, etc. 0, DIA is 5.94%, mutual funds 0, other DIAs, that is dismal. Promoters holding is good, but pledge is very high. That's not coming down. They are not making an effort also. So that is how Mangalam Drugs and Organics is there. It is faring well during the last 5 quarters, and pledge is very high. That is also a very weak point. Let us see. Currently only buyers are there, you can't buy also. So that is how things are there. When sellers also will emerge, we will have to wait and see. But the last 5 years story is very uninspiring. No growth in sales, no growth in profits. Only during the last 5 quarters the sales are increasing and profits are increasing. So that is the story of Mangalam Drugs and Organics. Now you take your call. I will be back with you with another good company.